So I got all the messages and thank you so much. It's really, truly awesome. Thank you. Um, so, okay, so I wanted to do my own, and I wanted to go out into the yard and try to capture something. And this is out there, not far from the moon. So I took a picture of it. And I got different snapshots and it morphed. So I want to show you the different pictures I got. Uh-oh. I don't know how to get that off there. Okay, I figured it out. Pretty cool, eh? That's the same object. This was out there also. That's the last one, I think. I'm going to try to get it again. Maybe. Maybe not. I just wanted to share with you how weird it is. And that's the same object. I don't know what that green thing is. Alright. It's a quick share. And thanks, everyone. Bye.